Moving on, you'll notice in the community lounge that there's a channel called Voice Chat. We plan on hosting some good discussions in this voice chat, and the voice chat is also a video chat. The way to use this is you go down to voice chat. If you click it once, it'll connect you into the chat. Then, if you click it again, it'll open up a full chat and allow you to either turn on your camera, share your screen, or mute, similar to Zoom. There will also be a chat option within the voice chat. So if you click on it, and you can open the chat, and you'll see that people may be chatting, discussing what's going on in the voice chat. You can still scroll around to different channels even while in the voice chat, so you'll notice that it's still connected down here even though you're still on the server. And if you want to leave the voice chat, you can easily just disconnect. Let's now discuss how threads work in Discord. Threads are used to talk about more specific topics within a channel. There are three different things you can do with threads in Discord. You can A, see existing threads, B, create your own thread, or C, reply to a comment with a thread. For seeing existing threads, all you gotta do is go to the top of the screen where the threads icon is. So if we look in a specific channel, you see exactly which threads have been created in this channel and when people were last active. If you go into the thread, you won't automatically have access to it. You can see who has access to it on the right hand side, but you actually do have to comment in order to have access to the thread. When you do that, what you'll notice is that you have a little line arrow here that this stays open so you can keep updated with the thread. And whenever new messages are posted, it'll highlight white. If you want to leave this, you can leave the thread. When you do that, you'll no longer see it there. Now let's say you want to create your own thread. In this case, you want to talk about a specific topic within energy policy. What you would do is you go to the energy policy channel, go to threads, and press create. So you want to talk about the Inflation Reduction Act. Type in your thread name, type a message, and you've started your thread. You can then expand the thread by doing this, but notice how that you're the only one in here so far. In order to get other people into your thread, you have to go and add people with the @ sign. So let's say we want to add Nico. Enter. Now you'll notice that Nico's in this thread. And let's say we just want to add everybody that's interested in energy policy. Go to energy policy, press enter, and you'll notice all the people that selected that as an interest are now part of this thread, and you can chat within it. Now all of these people in their messages will see this thread show up, but if you don't tag them, they won't see it. Last thing you can do with threads is reply to someone's comment with a thread. So let's look at Nico's comment here in the newsroom. We can do create thread based on this. The thread name will already be filled in. You can say hey, and you'll notice that the thread is created. And if you look into it, both you and Nico have access, but no one else. So if you want to add more people to the thread, then you have to add them with the @ sign.